lumipad ka ng mataas kasi dun ka dapat na. Dun tatanggapin ka bukas yung pintuan sa'yo dun kasi mabait kang bata. Maraming nagmamahal sa'yo na hindi ka nila iniwan. Sinala mo sila lahat dito. Pinakita mo mabuti ka talagang bata at karapat-dapat ka dun sa bahay ni Lord. Ingatan mo si mama, si papa, kami dito, lahat na naiwan mo. Babalik na kita sa kanya na kasi hiniram lang kita. Okay na si mama. Alam ko okay ka na din, hindi ka na mahihirapan. Sa lahat po ng nakiramay, ang malasakit po sa amin ng anak ko. Mula't simula po, maraming salamat.
Where I can't see, in the arms of the one who made you free. No more pain, no more night, just endless songs and perfect light. And though my heart breaks quietly, you're part of every breath in me. Until that day God lets me be where you are, safe where I can't see. For the child I barely cradled, for the voice I'll never hear, for the parent whose goodbye still echoes in each year. You're not lost, just home ahead, and I'm walking toward that grace where time and tears will fall away, and I will see your face. I've questioned in the darkness, the light has found me still, and even in the aching, I trust His perfect will. You're safe where I can't see, in the arms of the one who made you free. No more pain, no more night, just endless songs and perfect light. And though my heart breaks quietly, you're part of every breath in me. Until that day God lets me be where you are, safe where I can't see. So I'll light a candle not just for grief, but for the hope that anchors me. That love is stronger than the grave, and joy is waiting patiently. You're safe where I can't see, where angels guard you tenderly. I'll hold on to what is true, that heaven holds my heart with you. You didn't leave, you just went first, and though it aches, it's not a curse, because someday I'll finally be where you are, safe where I can't see. Nanay ko, tatay ko, minsa'y nasabit niyo ang una kong buhay, ang nagpangiti sa inyo. At sa tuwing iiyak, pinaghehelan niyo, kinakarga hanggang sa makatulog na ako. Nanay ko, tatay ko, kayo ang tahanan.
padala